Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share easy ways to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Today we are talking about how to recycle plastic properly. Did you know that most plastic waste ends up in landfills or the ocean because it's not sorted correctly? Yikes. Well, fear not. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to recycle plastic properly at home and make a real difference. Some recycling facilities may have separate collection points for these items, but many do not. Check with your local waste management service to find out what's accepted. Labels and other glued-on items should be peeled off, as they can interfere with the recycling process, and are usually recycled. If your community doesn't offer curbside pickup for plastic recycling, don't worry. There are still options to recycle your plastic properly. Locate a recycling center near you by searching online directories or contacting your local waste management department. Many cities have designated drop-off points where you can bring your sorted plastics for recycling. Additionally, some grocery stores and retail centers have collection bins for plastic bags and films. These are usually located near the entrances and are clearly marked. Simply gather your plastic waste. Check for local guidelines on acceptable types and quantities, and drop them off at the designated locations. If you're unsure about specific drop-off requirements or schedules, don't hesitate to reach out to the store managers or recycling facility staff for assistance. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your plastic waste is properly recycled, even if you don't have curbside pickup. However, caps are a bit tricky. While some facilities want them removed, others suggest leaving them on. Check your local guidelines to be sure. By following these 5 easy steps, you can make a significant impact. Knowing your plastics, rinsing them properly, removing labels and caps, sorting when necessary, and finding the right drop-off points are all crucial for effective recycling. Start small, educate yourself, and take action. Together, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you for watching, and remember to share this video with your friends and family so they can start recycling plastic properly too. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, happy recycling. Removing them allows the plastic to be more easily processed and turned into new products. Leaving them on might save time and energy during collection and sorting. When in doubt, check your local regulations. Each facility has its own preferences, and it is essential to follow their guidelines to ensure your recycling efforts are effective. Now let's move on to the next step. So let's dive right in. This helps to ensure that each category is recycled properly and efficiently. If you live in an area that requires sorting, here's a simple breakdown to help you get started. The 2 most common types of plastic that are often accepted for recycling are PET or peat and HDPE. PET or peat is a lightweight plastic often used for water and soda bottles, as well as food trays and clothing fibers. It's important to drain and clean these containers thoroughly, as any liquid residue can affect the recycling process. Meanwhile, HDPE, or high-density polyethylene, is another widely used plastic found in milk cartons, detergent jugs, shampoo bottles, and more. It's tougher than PET and can be recycled into items such as new bottles, pipes, and playground equipment. To sort your plastics properly, simply rinse them. Remove any labels or caps and place them in the appropriate bins provided by your recycling program. If you're unsure about other types of plastics not mentioned here, it's best to contact your local recycling center for guidance. By taking the time to sort your plastics correctly, you can help ensure that they are recycled efficiently and contribute to a cleaner environment. Alright, we're going to break this down into 5 easy steps. Know your plastics. Start by learning the different types of plastic. Look for the recycling symbol and the number inside it. These numbers range from 1 to 7 and determine if the plastic can be recycled in your area. For example, PET or peat, which is the type of plastic used in water bottles, soda bottles, and food trays, is usually accepted in most recycling programs. Then there's HDPE, high-density polyethylene, which is found in milk cartons, detergent jugs, and shampoo bottles. And yay! This one is also widely recycled. But wait! There's more to know. 3. PVC or vinyl, such as pipes and flooring, is rarely recycled due to the harmful chemicals it contains. Styrofoam or polystyrene, commonly found in food containers and cups, has a lower recycling rate as well. And then there's those pesky plastics 6 and 7, which include polycarbonate and other mixed plastics. These are even harder to recycle, so try to avoid them when possible. Remember, The numbers 1 and 2 are your best bets for now. You can use an online recycling guide or contact your local waste management service to find out what types of plastic are accepted near you. Knowledge is power, so knowing the basics will help you recycle plastic effectively. No? 2. Rinse before recycling. Always rinse your plastics. Leftover food or liquids can contaminate an entire batch of recycling and make it unusable. It's a quick and easy step that makes a big difference. A little goes a long way. Give those containers a quick rinse to remove any leftover residue and keep things fresh. This helps maintain hygiene and prevents unpleasant odors during the recycling process. Plus, it shows respect to the hardworking folks who sort and process the recycling materials. Keep it clean and clear. Remove any stickers, labels, or other attachments that could hinder the recycling process. These extras don't belong in the recycling bin and can cause delays or contamination if left behind. By taking these simple precautions, you ensure that your plastic waste is better equipped to be transformed into something new and valuable. Number 3. Remove labels and caps. Bottle caps, labels, and pump tops don't belong in the recycling bin. Number 4. Sort your plastics. Some recycling programs require you to sort your plastics into different categories based on the type of plastic. Now let's move on to the final step. No. 5. Find the right drop-off point. Recycling plastic properly doesn't have to be complicated.